Guys, welcome back to our channel Every Talks. Today I've got my hands on this very brand new Motorola headphones. So these headphones says these are plus escape, these are studio quality performance they give, and they are wireless freedom. So in this fast moving world we need something that is very handy, and it has got these really amazing and exciting features which I'm gonna tell you. It says that it works with Amazon, Alexa, Siri and Google Assistant. It has a 10 hours playtime with rechargeable battery, which is very exciting. It has a HD sound with 40 drivers. It has a passive noise isolation, which is very exciting. I'm very excited for this feature. It has got a range of 60 feet. It is lightweight, easy to travel, it folds. It is integrated microphone for calls. It is multi-point technology to connect two devices at a time, which is very exciting, and it feels pretty nice. So the package here says that it is a cost of 6,499, but I got it on a sale from Tata cliq at a very low cost, which I'll mention you up later. But let's get started and let's open this baby up. So let's get started. So as you open the box, you can see the device, and it's a nice white color. We'll talk about that later. Then we have got some very basic quick start guide, which is actually available in any device that we use. Then we have got some 3.5 cable audio jack and some charging cables, which is very essential. And then we have got this box, which is actually empty. I think it's for some supporting system. So now let's talk about this thing. So pretty nice. The color feels actually quite white and brighten, and I quite like the folding thing. It's very easy, as the box mentioned, and it's quite soft. It has got this really nice foam, which I really like, and it has this Motorola sign on both of its sides. So you get to voice up, and you can just slow down the voice. You get the two options. You can receive a call, you can pause the button. So basically how to actually open this device is you have to click this, then you get a sound here, which is quite very nice and interesting. And you've got these adjustable things where it's very easy, and I quite like this device. It's nice to feel. The foam feels nice. I think your ears are not gonna get tired of this, and I feel this device is really nice. So there you get some at the bottom, some jacks, then this cable for charging, then some lights up here. I think this device is very nice, and for the price range which I got this for, I think getting these many features in that price range is very rare. And I think if you are in daily passenger, or a person who loves carrying headphones or stuff like that, and does not want to have any fear of breaking it up and want to buy more, I think this is a very good option. And yeah, I'll use it for 4 to 5 days, and I'll give you a quick feedback real soon. I will be back. Thank you. So I'm back for my 4 to 5 days of investigation of how it works. I'm going to be very strict here, but I think it has actually passed my test, because it felt really nice. It's easygoing, and it's very light. As I told you, the box mentioned it, and all the points which the box mentioned are really true, which I think is great. The box actually mentioned here that it has it connects with the Siri, true, it has a 10-hour playtime, which I think is very great. I have actually checked that. And it's rich HD sound, which is even true. I really like the bass. I think for the Indians the bass could have been a little bit more, but I really like that. It's a nice, it's a passive noise cancellation that it says here. Yes, this is true. I felt really like blocked, and I think you want that. Yes, it is true that it is six. It's lightweight, easy to carry. You can take calls. Very true. You can connect two devices at a time. So I think overall a very good feedback, and I think for this price range, which I got you, which I'm going to tell you right now. So guys, I got this little headphones from Tata cliq, as you can see. So I got this for 1,667 bucks, which I think is a steal for this, because the box says it's for 6,500, but I got this for a very big discount on this. So guys, go buy it. I'm gonna link all the links in the description box down below, and go grab some. These are really nice and very handy to carry. So if you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and especially click that bell button to get more videos from Every Talks. We'll see you next time with a freshly brewed video waiting for you all. Thank you.